You guys started in 2009. Today, you're becoming publicly traded here at the New York Stock Exchange. Your Joby aircraft, the EVTOL that you're developing, is in the background there.
We're so excited about the opportunity to give everyone the ability to share in this really exciting journey as we move to a zero emissions future. The Joby team is just incredible. We've been executing for more than a decade and just day in and day out proving that we can make electric propulsion a game changer in aviation. This aircraft is incredibly quiet, it has amazing range, and it's going to deliver a whole new mode of transportation to people in both cities like here in New York and around the world, and we're so grateful. We've been working with the FAA since 2018 on our formal type certification. We've just applied for our 135 operating certificate, and we're well underway on our production certificate. So as we look forward to the quarters ahead, we're focused on certifying our aircraft, the manufacturing of our aircraft, and the scaling of our service. And this financing today really helps us accelerate the manufacturing and the scaling. The amazing thing about New York is that there's already infrastructure. We've released footage that shows just how markedly different it is in both the absolute noise and in the quality of the noise from traditional aircraft. That means we're going to be able to put skyports on the tops of buildings everywhere.